Hare Krishna. 2.2 Scientific proof of God's any proof that God exists? We humbly counter question: is there any scientific study or evidence to prove that God does not exist? Blind acceptance and rejection of God are both equally foolish. With sound logic and reasoning, we can strengthen our faith and also God's existence. 2.2.1 Four reasons for God's existence. C. Lord. C. Creation implies a creator. L. Laws imply a lawmaker. Or organization implies an organizer. D. Design implies a designer. C. Creation implies a creator. Graham Bell, Thomas Edison, Galileo, and James Watt invented the phone, electric bulb, telescope, and steam engine. Do we know of any other object or anything, including your watch, clothes, books, pens, laptops, cars, etc., that came without a creator? The creation indicates a creator. By what scientific logic can we deduce that no creator built this gigantic, orderly, and harmonious universe? That's absurd. One of the all-time greats, Sir Isaac Newton, once designed a solar system model. Just by moving a lever, all the planets of various sizes placed in their respective orbits would revolve around the sun. Once perfected, he invented his atheist friend to inspect it. Amazed at the skillful creation, his friend inquired about this artisan. Newton, in all seriousness, replied, "Last night I accidentally toppled over the nuts, bolts, and other hardware. Then the cupboard fell, and everything within it spilled out. But lo and behold, as I gathered myself and brought a candle into the room, I discovered this beautiful model that had assembled all by itself." As the friend burst out laughing at the incredulous story, Newton countered, "When you refuse to accept that this simple machine could appear by chance, by what logic do you infer that the original gigantic solar system has appeared by chance, without a creator?" L. Law, laws imply a lawmaker and maintainer. There is a theory that natural laws automatically create and destroy the universe, just as an assembly line repeatedly makes new cars. Even if the process is flawless, it still does not answer the question: who created these universal laws? Who implements them? A developed state cannot operate smoothly without legislators enacting laws, police enforcing them, and judges dispensing justice. Similarly, how can the natural order in this universe be maintained without universal lawmakers or law enforcers? Some religions claim that only the laws of karma control this universe. If it is true, who keeps account of the unlimited karma of the innumerable living entities in the universe? Who administers the precise reactions to every person? It indicates a maintainer who governs the karma laws in this universe. Question: who makes and maintains the universal traffic laws? Traffic laws and signals function perfectly, seamlessly, because intelligent systems or people remotely supervise them. This world also has many laws of physics, chemistry, mathematics, astronomy, thermodynamics, etc. We can predict the sunrise and sunset to the exact second for the next 1,000 years. The seasons never get confused in their chronology. These laws need an expert supervisor to work perfectly. Or number three, or organization implies an organizer. Any organization needs a chief executive officer, CEO, and a team of managers. Did Apple pop up by chance, or did Steve Jobs organize it? Is Amazon self-propelled, or is Jeff Bezos at its helm? This splendidly arranged world working in beautiful coordination for our sustenance also proves the existence of creative, intelligent CEO in power. It requires a significant endeavor and organization to transport electricity, even to light up a single bulb. Can we imagine the operations necessary to brighten the entire solar system? The sun, considered to be the smallest star in our mighty bulb that emits more kilowatts of energy in 1 second than what humans have produced in their entire history. If the famous Indian mango drink fruity needs a multi-level packaging unit, what to speak of the original mango fruit perfectly shaped with its seed, pulp, and skin? With the right mixture of sunshine, minerals, and water, each mango tree provides abundant ripened fruits at the perfect time of the year. Who is responsible for such fantastic coordination? 4. D. Design implies a designer. In 1960s, organic chemists Professor Woodward and Professor Eskinmonser, with scientists from 19 different countries, took 11 years to synthesize one vitamin B12 molecule. It was the most complex organic substance of that time to be artificially synthesized. Have we ever wondered who originally invented that molecule and the zillions of others more complex molecules? From the microscopic arrangement of protons and electrons to the massive movements of planets and galaxies, there is an impeccable design evident in every aspect of this cosmic creation. For example, Earth's distance from the sun and its rotational axis inclined at 23.5 degrees play a vital role in sustaining life on this planet. These facts strongly suggest the existence of an intelligent designer. 2.2.2 The universe has a purpose. Do you know of any machine that has no purpose? Practically, such a device does not exist. Even a broken clock shows the correct time twice a day. Naturally, the universal clock, with its myriad intricacies from the subatomic particles to the millions of galaxies, must always also have a purpose. When we see the universe only as dead chemicals and mechanical laws, we exploit it for only animalistic seed activities. We also use advanced education, intelligence, and scientific progress simply to enjoy physical pleasures. Life then becomes a stressful rat race in a greedy world of cutthroat competition. However, the universe's purpose is to help us seek God's loving grace in our lives and spread that loving kindness to others. In this way, instead of godless hedonism, we achieve permanent happiness and receive the great ABCD privileges. In the next session, we shall answer two challenges to God's existence. Summary 1. What is the proof of God's existence? C. Lord. C. Creation implies a creator. Story Newton and his atheist friend. L. Laws imply a lawmaker and maintainer. Who has created the natural laws that science has recently discovered? Who maintains them? Or organization implies an organizer. There is a supreme organizer behind this brilliant cosmic arrangement. D. Design implies a designer. From tiny atoms to gigantic galaxies, flawless designs in this world point to an intelligent designer. Number two, the universal mission has purpose like any other mission. Without the divine goals of ABCD, reference 1.1.2, we reduce the meaning of our lives to pursuing the animal seed, SEED, reference 1.1.1 pleasures. Okay, Krishna, thank you.